Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ALTLER Portable Steam Sauna, full-size portable sauna for home. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Easy to use. Set up your personal oasis in no time with the ALTLER Portable Steam Sauna. Simply assemble the sauna and enjoy a relaxing steam session at home or anywhere you desire. Detox and relax. Experience the ultimate relaxation and detoxification with the power of steam. This portable sauna helps to eliminate toxins from your body, relieve stress, and promote overall well-being. Adjustable temperature. Customize your steam experience with the adjustable temperature control. Choose your desired level of warmth and create a soothing atmosphere that suits your preferences. Compact and portable. The ALTLER Portable Steam Sauna is designed for convenience and portability. It folds easily for storage or transportation, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of a sauna wherever you go. Durable and safe. Crafted with high-quality materials, this portable sauna is built to last. The sauna tent is made from heat-resistant fabric and features a built-in safety feature that automatically shuts off the steam generator after a set time. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.